kailangan kapag love team, magjowa kayo, no? Ganun kasi yung gusto ng mga tao. Tapos pag nalaman nila na hindi, kasalanan nyo.
Hindi, jowain mo yung boss mo.
Oh my gosh! What?
Bakit di ba tapos? Di ba?
Oh my
This
gosh.
photo.
Parang andyan ako nung kinuhanan niya. Ha? Sino kaya? Parang familiar yung kamay.
Kaya yan.
Sino kaya yan?
So, I think it's time to set the record straight.
Have you ever tried kissing someone in the...
Oh my gosh. What do you mean? Like, wait, like...
No, in like sa work.
For a scene or...
Yes.
You did.
Pero na-cut out sa ano.
Oh my God, hindi ko alam
Yeah.
to.
Oh, it's the first time I said it.
Oh.
I guess we're dropping the tea. Sometimes I'm forgetting there are cameras. This is sobrang delikado na to, ha?
the
Ang dami
best
ko sinasabi
part,
dito,
diba?
ha?
It's just sad na
I
yung
love
mga
this
tao
topic.
talaga dito sa Pinas, very entitled tayo sa life ng mga artista or...
Oh, akala ng mga tao alam nila yung nangyayari.
Yes.
Ay, ano ako?
We're all getting triggered.
Wait lang,
I love this.
Don't get me started.
Pero ayo.
Kasi naman dito.
This is like, isa sa best parts talaga lagi yung nagugulat yung guest.
Yes.
So kung ano yung nangyayari at the beginning of the
never gets
episode.
old.
Yes, never gets old. Guys! Triggered Barkada, welcome to another episode of Triggered! Grabe. And we are here in a new location.
Yes.
Never been here ang Triggered. Shout out to the Coast Cafe for having us. You can visit them. Yes! You can visit them here at 815 Banawa Street, Santa Mesa Heights, Quezon City. At syempre, grabe yung girl power. Wait lang, Vince, ha?
Yeah.
Sorry, Vince. Kasi
Wait lang,
grabe
wait
yung
lang.
girl power ngayon. We have our triggered guest host for today, the beautiful Hailey Dizon.
Wow! Napakaganda naman talaga ni Hailey.
Ganda, grabe. At syempre, hindi ko na patatagalin pa, our guest of honor for today. Talaga, the ever so beautiful, smart, lovely, energetic.
Everything.
Yes,
The most
everything.
perfect.
Cassie Legaspi!
Let's go, Cassie Cake!
Isa pang napakaganda.
Yes! Sobrang ganda.
Ay, pati ba yung ngiti ni Vince?
Buddy, long time na.
Long
Buti
time,
naman,
grabe.
bumalik ka muna dito sa Triggered.
Buti naman
Salamat.
nandito ako.
Oo, namimiss ka na namin eh. Si Jeff kailan kaya natin siya makikita?
Ewan ko.
Hi, Jeff.
Kailan kaya natin siya makikita dito? Pero before we move further, syempre, di ko alam kung naaalala mo pa, yung lagi natin tinatanong sa lahat ng mga guests, what triggered you
Oh.
today? Oh, ikaw. Mauna ka na. Kahit ano to. Oh, no! Kahit ano to, pwedeng happy trigger, pwedeng nainis, nagalit, na sad na trigger. Ay, parang
ano?
meron talaga siya.
Ay, baka alam ko.
Unahan natin si Cassie.
Ay,
Kasi
no!
grabe yung ano eh.
Parang may totoo siyang sagot.
True. Go, love.
Mauna
Sabihin mo
ka
na,
na ba?
walang filter.
Oh, yes. No filter.
Ito, okay. What triggered me today? Wala akong tulog. So,
ano ba yan? Safe na yan? Safe naman
wait.
ang sagot.
Okay.
But,
But?
dahil wala akong tulog, na-domino effect yung day ko. So, it's like,
dahil
everything,
sa kanya?
everything triggers
Bakit?
me.
Pero bakit?
Everything triggers
Wait,
me, you
hindi.
know?
Pero bakit wala kang tulog?
Yun nga.
Anong
eh.
ginawa
Like,
mo kagabi?
ano ba yun?
Wala! I was at work, y'all. I was at work. I love my job. I love working. I was working. Nasa work lang. Yun lang, wala lang, share
Sige
lang.
na nga. Sige,
Yeah.
sige.
Unsafe
Accept na
nung
lang.
sagot
Accept na
niya.
Hindi
natin
yan
yun.
safe. I only tell the truth. The truth and
Okay.
only the truth.
But I think
Okay.
there's like a deeper triggered.
Okay, fine. Sige. Give na muna natin yung sa kanya. Ikaw, Hailey.
Ako, happy trigger
Okay.
yung akin. Kasi I just got back from a very, very stressful trip because of, sa lahat na nangyayari. My
Yes.
flight was affected. But then when I got back, nakakuha agad ako ng schedule sa ating kapatid. And of course, I was with my
Yes!
people. So yes, naging happy agad ako nung nakita ko sila. Like, okay, I'm back sa normal life ko.
Yes,
and I
I'm
feel
safe
so happy.
and
I'm safe.
Yay.
Yes.
We love that.
Yes.
Yay! Ikaw
Yay.
naman, Vince. Ganda mo to, ah!
Ako yung situation going here. Kasi, alam mo yung nagmamadali ka at stress ka, tapos gusto mo na, ewan ko, namimiss ko lang talaga yung trigger eh. Kaya parang sabi, ano ba yan? Ayoko malate! Ano ba? I'm 30 na, guys! Wow! So medyo happy trigger siya.
Yeah, happy to.
Kasi excited lang talaga ako na makita ka.
Totoo.
Makasama si Cassie dito as guest.
yes.
At syempre si Hailey.
Yes. Dahating kapatid ka. So, ikaw naman.
Ako, pwede ba, like, serious ng very, very light?
Yes.
Pwede ba i-bring up yung Bong Suntay and Ann Curtis issue?
Oh,
Total,
yes.
triggered naman yung
Yes.
pangalan ng ano
Yes.
natin, di ba? I think it would be remiss for me to not bring it up.
Yeah.
Kasi, let's call it what it is, a man in a position of power, like a government official, sat in a congressional hearing and described a sexual fantasy about a real woman na
Correct.
pinangalanan niya pa. And
Yeah.
he said that with the expectation that people will just laugh it off and call it a joke. But Miss Ann Curtis herself said it most poignantly, that misogyny disguised as humor is still misogyny,
Misogyny, yeah.
'di ba?
Facts.
And people keep trying to minimize it by saying na, oh, it's just a fantasy. Hindi yun yung problema. Lahat naman may fantasy. Kahit ako naman, may mga pinagpapantasyahan din akong tao.
Correct.
Lahat naman tayo. Normal lang yun. The problem is when men feel entitled enough to think that they can reduce women to sexual beings, to sexual fantasies in a public space. At hindi lang public space, sa government pa.
Totoo.
'Di ba? During a time na you're being paid by the Filipino people to do your job, you choose to use your time to
Yeah.
discuss things like that. And honestly, I think it doesn't just end in politics. This is the same energy that women have to deal with every day. We encounter this. I'm sure you guys also know. We encounter this in our personal everyday lives where men they treat women as a joke. They treat women as characters in their own story, and they think they can do whatever they want and still walk away like they did nothing wrong, right? Like we just hold them to such a low standard. Men can lie, cheat, use, and abuse women and still walk away scot-free. And somehow, even in certain situations, they're even able to rewrite the story to make women the villain.
Yeah.
And I think that same entitlement, yung ganong audacity, is what allows men to disrespect women and assume that there will be zero consequences. At ang haba ng sinasabi ko, but isa pang nakaka-annoy is when people have to say na, what if nanay mo yan? What if kapatid mo yan? What if sister mo yan? Bakit kailangan natin lagi na i-attach yung mga babae sa mga lalaki in like a familial way? Para kailangan maisip mo na
Nanay mo muna.
relative mo yung babae
Yeah.
para respetuhin mo. Di ba women deserve respect just because they deserve respect as human beings? And so, yeah, this triggered me today kasi whether you are a congressman in a hearing or whether it's a guy in your personal life, the pattern is the same. Men who think women are just characters in their story. Well, we're not characters in your story. We're human beings deserving of respect. And we're done laughing at your jokes because it's not
Yeah.
funny.
Correct.
There you go.
Amen. You're so well spoken.
Thank you
Grabe.
so much.
Napakatalino mo. I
Thank
love
you.
listening to you.
Oh,
So I just wanna say, I love
yay!
listening to you. Parang,
Thank you.
ano pa akong,
You should be the one sitting in that position.
Ay,
not
nako.
her.
I know.
Isipin mo, lagi
Ayaw.
mo kasama yan. Tapos parang ako,
I know.
oo nga.
Tama. Preach.
Yes.
Yes.
yun lang. Women's Month, so I think,
yes.
di ba?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Pero eto na, moving on to lighter things. Kasi trending kaya. Actually, kahit nga ako, parang napaisip din ako dun sa picture na pinost mo.
Diba?
Asa na ba yun? Let's show the,
Isa lang masasabi ko, magaling magpa-trending si
The
Cassie.
world.
Oh my God.
This photo.
Ay. Sino kaya yan?
Nandiyan ako nung
Sino
kinuha.
kaya yan?
Sino kaya? Pamilya yung kamay.
Kaya yan.
Sino kaya yan?
So, I think it's time to set the record straight. Sino nga ba kasi yan at bakit naka-matching hoodie pa kayo?
Oh my
Ganyan.
God, kasi cake, it's time
Sino
for
ba
you
to?
to answer.
Kasama mo ba to sa ating kapatid? Kasama ba natin to today? Like, sino
Yeah.
ba yon?
Delete na lang ako mag-talk.
Dili na lang ka mag-talk.
Okay, so... First of all, boss, isang bote ng... joke lang. Okay. To set the record straight, this is a brand posting.
Okay.
It's a brand posting. So sabi ko, I'm just gonna 2-in-1 it, Valentine's Day, love, love, love. So, ano?
So you were the one
So, idea mo pala to?
yeah.
So, yes.
Aha.
Yes. And
who's the guy?
who's the guy?
Just some guy.
You know what? You know what?
Carmen.
Pwede ba
You know
natin
what?
Guys, nandito
create?
kami Sali niyo
You
naman
know
kami
what?
sa ano.
You know. Some things are better left unsaid.
And,
And,
mag-read
and-
between the lines na lang kami kung sino yon.
Ay, bahala na kayo. Mag-assume na lang kayo. Mag-comment down below na lang kayo. Bahala na kayo sa buhay nyo. Basta ako, yan yung pinost ko. Wala akong sinabi. Nilagay ko lang ng heart,
Alam
I
niyo,
think.
trending yan.
That's
Alam
my
niyo, pa
heart.
yan.
Yeah,
Kaya
so a lot of
nga.
people message me, oh my God, actually pati yung parents ko, oh my God, no,
Ba't
quiet
tahimik
lang.
ka, bro?
Ha?
Ba't tahimik ka?
Tahimik mo.
Hindi, nakikinig lang ako sa kanya.
Okay.
thank you.
Ikaw naman masasabi mo doon bilang sobrang
what can you say?
close mo sa
Close
work
mo
si
sa
Cass. Parang,
Ano masasabi mo dun sa post na yun?
Oo.
Napakaswerte naman ng lalaki niya.
Ay, talaga naman.
Facts.
Talaga naman. Ay, nakaka-trigger. Nakaka-ano na iba.
Pwede tanungin mo ako ulit kung ano nag-trigger sa akin.
Wala naman bago, Thea. Lagi ka naman natitrigger sa akin eh.
Okay. Pero sige, para medyo mawala yung trigger natin ng konti, tikman mo natin yung
Yes!
food, I think,
Grabe, ang
diba?
sarap ng mga food
We
sa harap
have
natin.
the People's Fried Chicken. Grabe,
People's Fried
intense.
Chicken.
We have the Caesar salad. We have the Super Silog.
Let's
And
go.
the Chairman, which is, I think, a house special. Yan. So, let's just try whichever
Let's
you guys
try
want to
it.
try. At we also have drinks from the Co's Cafe. Iced Spanish latte and
Yes.
iced mellow matcha. Yes. Baka mahulog.
Malo mo siya. Can I just share, sa ating kapatid, pag nagtitaping kami, mostly the girls, dahil magkakasama kami sa tent, lagi kaming hating kapatid pag kumakain. Like, sharing.
Aww.
Yes, ganyan. So, it's nice.
Okay, sige. So how is it? What's your favorite so far? Parang ikaw nagugustuhan
Yes.
mo yung the pork.
Pork.
The
I love
chairman.
it.
Chairman. ba
chairman.
yun? Yes.
The chairman of the pork.
Yes.
Chairman of the pork? Hello? Yeah, but it's
Okay.
good.
Okay, I'm gonna intro kung ano yung pag-uusapan natin today. Eto na. According sa worklife.news, isa sa 3 Gen Z ang naniniwalang makakahanap sila ng love life sa workplace. Kaya ang topic natin today is love in the workplace. Trabaho lang ba o pwedeng may konting landian?
Sabi, bagong-bago yung tanong na yan. ah.
Yes, bagong-bago!
Bagong-bago.
Yes!
Landian talaga
Okay,
yung word.
so, quick show of hands. Sino ba sa atin yung nagkaroon na ng ka-relationship, situationship, or may nakadate, kahit gaano pa ka-casual sa work? 1, 2, 3, go!
Wow!
Wala? I love
Nakilala ko bago magtrabaho. So,
Tsaka gusto ko yung may note talaga dito sa guide na umamin. Gusto ko
Totoo
yung...
ba, Hailey? Totoo?
yes.
What?
Yeah.
Tsaka
Paano?
madami din sa ano natin, sa
Paano
triggered
mo ginawa?
prod natin na wala. Slay.
Maging proud kayo sa akin. Oh my God. But sige, dahil ako yung wala, ask ko muna kayo. Like,
Okay.
how did it happen to you? Like, your experience. Kung gusto mo mag-name drop, okay lang din.
How did it happen? I mean,
Oh, how many times did it happen? That's my first question.
a couple.
A couple of times, but
okay. I think I'm just gonna say na like most of the people, I haven't dated a lot, but most of the people I've dated, it's because they were in close proximity to me. So whether it be school or yun nga sa work, so puro ganon. So
Well, I
gets ko yung-
remember the last time that I guested here sa Triggered, we were both in the same situation where we felt like na hindi kami masyadong out there when we were younger. Right? Remember? So I was really intrigued when I learned today na you have experienced it. That's why I
Sa
want to know. Yeah,
workplace.
sa workplace.
I think nga, yun nga yung parang pinaka...
Reason.
No, I think yun yung pinaka-safe and pinaka-basic. Kasi lagi mo yung nakikita.
Nakikita,
Hindi ako
nakakasama.
nagkaroon ng yung organic encounter na as in, well, hindi ko kilala yung person
Ay, hindi kakilala ko
at
sa
all.
pila eh, no?
Yeah.
Diba? Wala akong ganun. Wala akong ganun. Lahat is meron na akong prior na parang knowledge
Yes.
or friend of a friend siya.
Correct.
So, medyo alam mo na konti na safe ka naman.
Pareho tayo. Ganyan din ako. Like, I don't really parang like it kung hindi ko kakilala yung i-date ko. That's why I don't like it when like someone just message me asking me to go on a date. I don't like it like that. Gusto ko
Yes.
kilala ko muna siya.
Parang you need mutuals.
Yeah,
Kaya nga
ganon.
it's surprising.
Yes.
Kaya it's surprising in your case that you haven't dated someone from work. Kasi Matik, yung mga ka-work mo, yun yung talagang...
Oo, yun yung
Matik,
kaibigan mo
kilala
na
mo
eh.
na. Yun na yung dating pool mo, di
Eh,
ba?
malay
Oo.
mo, wala siyang ka-mutual sa... Okay.
No, no, no,
Okay,
kasi
I got you. Ako bahala sa'yo. Ako
may
bahala
mabita-
sa'yo.
Okay, so sasabihin ko yun sa akin. Yung sa akin kasi... so, So, di ba, nakilala ko siya without even working with him yet. And then, naging kami, and then we worked together. So, ganun siya. Yung, naging friends muna kami bago kami maging workmates. Ganun siya.
Friends muna kayo.
Kasi-
bago maging workmates.
Pero this person also works in the same...
Industry. Pero hindi naging kami because we worked together. Naging kami because we were... okay. Naging colleague. Okay, sige, taas ko na yung kamay ko.
sige.
Taas ko na.
Kasi ka-work mo pa din siya technically.
Yeah, technically, because we were
Still
in the same circle. Yeah, correct.
Pero di kulong.
Oo nga. Okay,
So,
okay. Yeah.
you almost got us there. Pero gets ko naman.
Yeah,
Gets ko
right.
yung, yung
Oo.
distinction. O kayo naman.
Kasi,
Bukas.
how many times did it happen to you?
What do you
I'd
mean?
say.
Is this like...
Or or you don't have to answer that. Like, anong share ninyo about yun
Yeah.
nga, yung dating within the workplace?
Within the
Or dating a
workplace.
colleague?
I think...
Do you think natural na mangyayari talaga yung mga ganung bagay dahil nga lagi kayong magkasama?
Or bakit siya madalas
I
mangyari?
think for me
no?
personally, it's a big gamble on my end ha. Kasi I take relationships seriously. I'm not really the type na parang, ay, okay, after you,
Yeah.
you, di naman ako ganon. Anyways,
So, ang tingin na ganun.
Sorry.
Hindi naman siya ganon.
Di naman ako
So,
ganun.
I'm not that kind of person. Personally, nothing wrong with it, but that's just not
Yeah.
my cup of tea. So, ayun, meaning to say na it's a gamble is because yun nga, di ba close proximity is because you're there, it's convenient na I see you every day and all that stuff. But what would happen if our routine changed? What if we don't work
Yeah.
together anymore? What if, I moved here, blah, blah, blah. Would you still make the effort to see me? Would you still, alam mo yun? So, ayun, gamble lang. But at the same time, I guess if tuloy-tuloy na kayo, di, I guess she's the one, ayun.
Yeah.
Simple as that, period. Pero, I mean, if it's for fun, go girl, get it, have fun,
Actually,
go.
yes.
Live, love, laugh, you know?
Ikaw,
Right,
Vince,
Vince?
anong masashare mo
Pataas-taas
sa
ka ng
ano?
kilay dyan, ha?
Oo nga, bakit? Is there a problem with my answer?
Na-experience ko din yan yung sa work. Yung ma-in-love ko sa work, ganyan. Kasi wala, mahirap talaga kasi like invested tayo sa emotions natin kapag kunwari. I mean, hindi ko ginagawang excuse yung yung work ka. Pero madadala, alam mo yun, madadala ka din talaga eh. Sa after work, ganyan.
So, para sa'yo, like, mahirap talaga yung strictly trabaho lang.
Interesting.
Dati ako, nahirapan ako.
When you were younger. Gets?
Oo. May nahirapan ako i-distinguish yung, alam mo,
Kung ano yung trabaho at
At
ano yung
personal.
parang, ay parang totoo na to. Parang,
parang
gets.
ganun. Nahirapan ako nung simula. Pero ngayon, parang chill na lang naman.
It comes with age.
Yeah.
Pero I don't
Parang
think
feel
so
ko
it comes with
maturity
age
din
because a
talaga.
lot of people in our industry,
Yeah.
Even
Diba?
though,
Even
even though
yeah.
medyo senior na
yeah,
gets.
even medyo senior na nagiging sila pa, or guys, very rampant ang cheating.
Yes.
honestly.
Sa industry natin. Because of course, sabi nga nila, in this industry, we're legally cheating to our partners. If, for example, meron kang kapartner and then meron kang ibang trabaho, you have to kiss that guy. You have to- pero ang excuse mo, it's just work. So,
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
not cheating. So, sabi nga nila, this is legally cheating. Kasi even though you're acting, you're doing it
Yeah.
real
Doing
time.
something.
Diba?
Yeah.
So, mahirap din talaga, like our minds and our hearts, mahirap din talaga i-distinguish like, oh my God, shocks, naghahalikan kami, kikiligin ka or may mararamdaman
Ba?
ka.
Parang for me, it's so easy to...
No, there are a
Ever
lot of
since,
people
though,
who...
for me, personally, ever since, it's been so easy to separate the two.
Have you ever tried kissing someone in
Ay,
the...
oh my gosh. What do you mean? Like, wait, like...
No, in like
Sa
sa work.
For a scene or
Yes.
You did.
Pero na-cut out sa ano.
Oh my God, hindi ko alam
Yeah.
to.
Oh, it's the first time I said it.
Yeah.
Oh, well, surprise.
Surprise!
Siya yun.
Siya yun. Yung nasa picture?
No, wait.
Pero wala ka naramdaman after the kiss.
No.
Same. I did. And yung sa akin, it was a French kiss. And that was my first.
Weh?
Yes,
mine
and
was
then
not...
12 takes. And matagal
Wow.
siya.
12?
Yeah. Different angles. And then weirdly, akala ko siya, sabi ko, shocks, kinakabahan ako, baka ma-in love ako or may maramdaman ako. Because he's the second guy that I'll ever kissed in my life. So, kissing. Tapos pagkatapos nun, cut, wala rin. Yeah, so meron talaga mga tao na nai-in love.
Feeling ko ano din
Meron
eh,
mga hindi
nasa
din.
lalaki din eh, kung ano yung intentions nila kapag nasa set. Gets mo?
Yeah,
Na
but as a
parang-
girl, kaya kong
Oo nga. I mean, minsan, nasa girl pa din, pero ang una naman nagbibigay ng parang signal is guy eh.
Guy.
Okay.
Diba? Hindi naman girl yung unang gumagawa ng first move eh.
Oo. Ako nga hindi lang sa guy eh. I think na it's nandun yun sa pareho yung lalaki at babae. And I think the danger is not even dun sa physical na aspect of it. Not even the kissing. Kasi di ba when you're dating someone, you spend lots of time with them. You try to get to know them. Eh, ganun din naman yung ginagawa mo if lalo na if love team kayo or if you're really
Oh, yeah.
hindi lang in the same circle but you're really working together. Di ba?
Yeah.
You want to establish a friendship with that person. So you get to know that person. Tapos you add the layer of having to act that you are attracted.
Yeah.
So syempre, for you to act that you're attracted, you have to like find the attractive things about that person, di ba? Ang hirap naman kung iniisip mo talaga na pangit naman ito. Di ba kailangan mo din idelulo yung sarili mo na
Yes, na gusto ko talaga siya.
Gaslight,
Oo.
right?
Kailangan mo tulungan yung sarili mo.
Yes, exactly.
Kasi when you're acting talaga, even though you're just acting, you have to feel it.
Yeah. At
Diba?
least in that moment.
Yes.
So, important yung meron kayo pareho as co-workers, yung honesty and respect for everyone, not just for everyone involved in that, pero yung
Yeah.
mga involved outside.
Outside.
Like if that person is seeing some other people,
Oh, yes.
stuff like that.
Okay,
diba?
joke.
Pero dito kasi sa Philippines, yung mahirap din
love
dito,
that.
di ba? Sobrang big sa atin ang love teams. Tapos talaga, when you're in a love team,
You need to be...
like, people
Yeah.
tend to think na kayo talaga in real life.
Yeah.
So talagang, even yung like, tinatawag nating fan service, kailangan
Oo.
even pag nasa public place. Di ba? Di ba? Like,
Bakit flashback dito kay Thea?
No, but honestly, fan service, if there's, I mean, in a personal aspect, I feel like there should be a boundary to
I
it.
know.
If
your
they're in a
feeling is
relationship.
a fact. There should be a boundary.
There should be a
to it.
boundary.
Correct.
Pero if both are single, bahala na kayo sa buhay niyo. But I'm
Ayun
just saying, if there
nga.
are relationships involved, I think it's up to the person na ano yung priority mo,
Correct.
yung career mo or your relationship. But I don't know. There are better ways of handling things.
Yeah. It's just sad na
I
yung
love
mga
this
tao
topic.
talaga dito sa Pinas, very entitled tayo sa life ng mga artista or
Akala ng mga tao alam nila yung nangyayari.
yes.
We're all getting triggered.
Wait lang,
I love this.
Don't get me started.
Pero
on-
ayo.
Kasi naman dito, we're all like,
Si Sige, mamaya we'll get there. We'll table that, ha? Kasi I have a lot to say.
OMG.
On
Ang
that
saya
topic.
nito.
Sige, doon muna tayo sa yung...
Love team, love team.
mamaya na tayo.
Okay. Mamaya na tayo doon. Oo, di ba?
Yes.
Tao outside.
Yeah.
Hindi ko na napigilan, sorry.
Sorry. Okay. Pero bakit kailangan kapag love team, magjowa kayo, no? Ganun kasi yung gusto ng mga tao. Di tapos pag nalaman nila na hindi,
Kasalanan.
kasalanan
I
nyo.
think kasi yung love team, honestly, I think it's like, it's a fantasy. It's a fantasy of the audience. Even me,
Yeah.
I love love teams. Like, I love
Correct.
watching. Parang, ay, ito yung fantasy ko. Yung, oh my gosh, I love these two. So parang, ay, basag trip naman. Di naman sila. Yung
Yeah.
ganun, stuff like that. But, you know, you kind of can't blur the line between reality and fantasy.
Fantasy.
Kasi. So, ayun.
Ako ang mahirap kasi yung culture kasi natin dito sa Pilipinas is that within the industry, we think of love teams as a successful love team is like a surefire way to get famous.
Correct.
Yeah.
Right? So,
Yeah.
kapag na-involve tayo sa isang love team na parang biglang ang daming fans, talagang gusto natin i-invest yung buong
Career natin
Oo,
doon,
buong
di
career
ba?
natin.
Like,
Kasi, alam mo, sa totoo lang, mag-i-invest ka talaga. Kasi doon pumapasok yung pera eh.
Yun nga, exactly.
Yun yung endorsement, doon yung friends eh.
Pero paano yung mga...
Totoo eh, di ba?
Pero, sandali lang, paano yung mga personal relationships mo?
Yeah.
Yun nga,
It's so
sasabi ko,
hard.
like, it's hard especially para sa mga artista na
Trigger ako dito,
yung parang nakarely talaga yung career nila dun sa love,
Love
team.
team.
Kasi halimbawa, tignan mo si Barbie. Nung time na sila pa ni Jack, di ba hindi niya naman
So-
kinailangan itago si Jack
Yeah.
even though successful yung
Correct.
love team nila ni
Yeah,
David.
that's what I like.
Kasi
That's
si
what I like.
Barbie is established enough,
Enough.
na hindi niya kailangang mag-fan service na she's privileged enough na she's already in the stage of her career na hindi niya na kailangan mag-rely na yung career niya is nakastake sa people thinking na sila talaga ni David.
Yeah.
Alam mo yon? Kaya lang, tayong mga wala pa doon, hindi pa tayo Barbie Forteza.
Yeah.
We rely on it so much. And it's sad. Sana we don't have to, but the reality is, we do.
Yeah.
Ayun.
She was already Barbie before Barda kasi. Kaya she had that parang ano ba tong, what's the right term na kaya niyang may boyfriend siya and meron din siyang love team at the same time.
Yeah.
And people already knew kasi public yung relationship niya with Jack even before siya magkaroon ng love team with David. And it's just actually parang a lesson to the Filipinos that you can be an actress and be in a love team even though you have like a personal life,
Honestly,
diba?
sobrang refreshing talaga nung
Yeah.
yung that Barda. And even though di na sila ni Jack, parang ang refreshing lang talaga.
Na
nung-
makakita ng
Oo.
ganon.
Feeling
Kasi
ko
it's the
nga,
first
ano eh.
time. It's the first time
Feeling
na
ko
may
nga
ganon.
nakatulong pa yung aspect nung may jowa si Barbie kasi 'di ba naging meme pa nga yung anti-selos
Selos
club.
club.
Ganun.
Yeah.
Na parang mas dumadagdag ng fire dun sa love team nila.
True. At saka they still respect, di ba? Na,
Oh, yeah,
na meron
yeah.
siyang partner, tapos meron siyang love
Love
team.
team.
So, sana ganon going
Yeah.
forward.
Parang ibig sabihin
I
lang
agree, I
nun,
agree.
parang pag para sa'yo, para
Para
sa'yo
sa'yo,
talaga.
yes. Parang I don't see, kasi we know, ang daming love team before na ngayon na wala. Kasi nag-break sila. Or hindi nag-work yung relationship nila so they have to, di ba? So yung sa akin lang, kung kaya pa naman ituloy nung love team, go. Pero sana i-respect pa rin ng mga tao na even though they're not together, they can still work together, di ba? Parang ganun. Parang hindi rin sayang yung mga love team na
True.
natin.
Pero ang tanong, ikaw, like, since na-experience mo na, game ka pa din ba makipag-jowa sa ka-work mo or ka-love team mo?
I think...
You think?
Sandali lang. Okay, honestly, as much as possible, sana hindi. But for me, if it happens, then it happens. Pero
Kasi
syempre,
magsalita ng tapos, di ba? Kasi hindi
Oo,
mo
na
alam
parang-
kung anong... Di mo alam
the feelings
talaga.
are feelings, you know.
Yeah.
It's something you can't control. But you can control what you do with your feelings. quotable quotes. Baka naman,
I
guys.
feel like
Thanks so
kung
much.
ayaw mo talaga and then may nakikita ka na something na nangyayari, mag-step back ka na para hindi na
Yeah.
matuloy, di
That's
ba?
true.
Nasa iyo talaga yon.
Yeah.
If you want it to happen, it will happen. If you
Yeah.
don't want it not to happen, it will never happen.
Yun
di
nga.
ba?
Para, I guess, the ball is in your court. Parang ikaw na bahala. Something like that. I'm just, kumbaga for me, I just wanna go with the flow.
Yeah.
It depende sa headspace ko at the moment. But at the moment, career talaga. And even if, let's say, kailangan maging kayo, blah, blah, I don't wanna pressure that.
Correct. Kasi
If
tingnan niyo
if di
nga.
ko type, di ko type eh.
Yeah.
Pero let's say we click on screen, ano gagawin ko?
Totoo.
Eh, best friend ko siya, pero,
Yeah.
ay, sorry. Anyways, but like, you know,
Totoo. Best friend ko siya.
ano? Wait lang. Ano yung sorry. But yeah, wala lang. I don't know, goodbye. I'm triggered. Triggered, y'all.
I'm triggered. Ikaw,
Wow. That's
Ano,
crazy,
pag
y'all.
meron akong...
Hailey, kung game ka pa din ba na...
To be honest, I don't want to be in a relationship with someone na nasa industry din. Because, let's be real, our industry is
Same.
very toxic. And hindi lang yung sa fans or sa mga taong nanonood sa atin, also inside of our industry, medyo toxic talaga
Eh,
siya.
bakit Zorin Carmina?
They
Yan
are
yung
an
exception ko
exception.
pala.
They're an
Eh,
exception.
because I don't wanna date
Exception.
anyone in showbiz.
No, but
I look at my parents, I'm like,
let's be
"Oh."
real. Their era and our era is very different.
Oh, yeah.
It is
Also
very,
totoo.
very different. Sobrang gulo nang nangyayari sa
Actually,
atin
ang daming
right
churu-churu.
now. Yeah.
And social media
And
also.
social media has a big part of it. Kumbaga yung involvement ng social media, malaking impact
True.
sa nangyayari sa atin ngayon. Kaya it's very, very hard. I just really want a low-key relationship. Ayoko na ng...
Oh, really?
Masyado nag-iisip ng ganun.
Ang hirap, iba talaga yung era ng parents mo, iba yung era
Yeah.
ng Dongyan.
Totoo.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
Iba talaga
Totoo.
sila. They are the
Super.
exception to the rule. They are not the rule. Kasi now I think we really just value people less because everyone is within reach because of social media. Like, ang daling mag-message, ang daling
True.
makakita ng ibang tao. Like, alam mo yun?
There are even dating apps. Like, swipe ka lang. Meron
Oo,
ka lang.
tapos
Oh,
meron na, like,
you don't
hey.
even have to leave the comfort of your own home.
Correct.
So kayo, like going back to yun nga, yung workplace relationship, syempre hindi lang din naman yan sa showbiz industry, di ba? Meron din, I know may mga kumpanya din talaga, like corporate companies na meron silang mga parang memorandum na you can't date someone sa
Yeah.
same department or something like that. Di ba may mga ganun? Tama po ba?
Meron.
Yes,
May
there
ganun,
is,
di
there
ba?
is.
So, kayo, ano sa tingin niyo yung mga boundaries na dapat tandaan kapag meron kang
Ooh.
if you're dating someone in the workplace or
I think it's,
or yun nga if may ka-work ka na parang
that's an easy boundary. Just don't let it affect your work.
Yeah.
That's it.
When you're inside of the office, don't do
mindset
anything.
din na pag dating mo sa set, magkatrabaho kayo, hindi kayo
Hindi nga
mag-joke.
sa set.
Or sa work.
or okay lang, yun nga.
Corporate.
Sa work. Sa work.
Masyadong personal. Kalma.
I can say na isa si Vince sa mga professional na taong kilala ko.
Ah, di ba?
Magaling mag-separate ng personal and
Diba?
Actually, yeah. In fairness, I'm so inspired. Wow! Wow!
Yeah.
Kahit di
Yeah,
naman
in
si
fairness.
Tay.
Ayun nga, yun din yung sasabihin
Wow.
ko. Yun din yung sasabihin ko.
I love
after.
it.
Lahat tayo
kaya-
professional dito.
Yeah.
Tayo professional dito. Naku naman.
Pero to be honest talaga, madali talagang ma-fall. Kagaya nga ng pinag-uusapan natin, na sinasabi natin lahat kanina, whenever you're with that person, most of the time, madali talaga ma-fall. Kaya nga ang daming naging pandemic couple. Diba? Kasi yung attention mo lahat nasa kanya kasi wala kang ibang ginagawa that
Yeah.
time, diba? So, ang daming naging pandemic couples. So, pagdating siguro sa work, para maiwasan yung ma-fall ka sa coworker mo, you really have
Don't
to know
talk to them.
why you are there. Diba? Why you are there, bakit ka pumasok
Yeah.
sa trabaho, ano yung kailangan mong gawin dito. You really just need to know how to separate your work and your private
Personal.
life.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
Or
If
personal life.
you're a free agent, like if you're single, edi bahala
Go!
ka, gawin mo kung ano gusto mong gawin.
Go.
Tago sa boss niyo yun, no? Kunwari, naging kayo.
Diba?
Siyempre, nasa honeymoon stage pa kayo.
jowain mo yung boss mo.
Oh my gosh! What? Buisit
Bakit di ba tapos? Di ba?
Wala lang kailangan paapaalam.
Oo, di ba?
Boss!
Jowain mo yung boss mo.
Oh no! Uy, favorite ko kaya ng mga ano yan, genre sa drama.
Yung trope.
Oh my gosh!
Boss and secretary?
Favorite ko yung mga ganun.
Wala girl, parang hindi.
Oh no, no.
Tapos gagawin nila sa office.
Alala kung saan tayo napupunta dito, ha?
Wow!
Wait, maaga pa. Hindi pang matcha at ano.
Oo nga, hindi pang matcha yung usapan na to.
Oo, pang cocktails na yun.
Oh my
tayo.
God.
Sorry, akin yan. Ako kasi nagsimula eh. Sorry.
Ako, pero sige, ito, let's do yung ship or skip game. So ito, sasagot lang kayo ng ship. Kung sa tingin ninyo, go, pwede i-date. Or skip, kung hindi may i-date yung nasa list. Okay, game.
Oh no!
First, a celebrity from another network. Ship or skip?
Oh, Cassie? Pakisagot? Cass?
Ship?
Ako na, ship.
Ship ako, ship.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, doesn't matter.
Ship din ako.
Okay, second. Someone from another department. Example daw from prod, engineering.
I think maraming nangyayaring ganun.
Ako, ship pa din. Ship pa din.
Ship, future. Mali mo, director, right?
Laban
Oh, that's so
lang.
cute.
Laban lang.
Laban
Laban
lang.
lang.
I think ship,
So,
yeah.
ship,
Kung
ship,
gusto mo
ship.
yan, yeah.
Ships
In the
across the
future,
board.
future.
Okay. Your direct boss or supervisor? Ship or skip?
Dito ako medyo ano,
Ano yung
medyo,
isa? Ship
ano,
or...
skip.
No,
I like the trope, but in real life, in real
My
life,
gosh, Hailey.
right? I don't think it's proper. Kasi
Ako baka G ako.
Skip.
ako kasi,
Ako, honestly,
I'm my own
share ako.
boss.
Yeah.
I dated someone na, hindi ko siya boss, pero parang, hindi ko siya boss eh, pero he was handling parang the work. Supervisor.
parang he's
Supervising.
supervising
May
everything.
pagka ganon, oo. Pero hindi ko naman siya direct na boss. But I would say that it did affect our dynamic or my dynamic with... Kasi it became kind of like an open secret. So parang nagkaroon ako ng
okay.
issues nung time na yon na...
Bias.
Na, oo, na
Bias
parang...
with
may
you
nare-
and stuff like that.
na I don't think he was biased towards me, but I think that the other people that we work
Thinks
with
that
They
thought
think that way.
Oo, thought that way. So, syempre, mahirap on my part. Like, paano ko naman i-defend
Correct.
yung sarili ko?
Yeah.
So, siguro at this point in my life, skip.
Ako kasi hindi ko pa na-experience yun eh. Kaya parang feeling ko exciting.
Wow!
Okay, so sa
Something
mga ano po
new.
dyan, mga EP, sa free po
Joke lang.
sa mga VP din po na single.
Joke lang.
Okay daw po si Vince. He wants
He's
the
open.
excitement. Kung gusto niyo din po ma-excite.
The excitement and
pa-message na lang
the
po si
experience.
Vince.
Ay, ito. Bagong hire or newbie actor? Ako, I'm gonna say ship.
Ship ako
Yeah,
din.
you don't
Kasi
know.
someone new, mali mo, mag-work, di ba?
Ikaw. Laban lang.
Laban lang.
Laban lang.
Wala pang inaatras na. Wala pang inaatras na.
Grabe, no?
Basta wag lang
Ginagisa
ano,
lahat,
wag lang
bro.
tinsa.
Oo naman.
Oh my gosh,
Wag lang
no.
yung teens, yung
Oo,
ano na
right,
tayo.
Basta ano naman, medyo yung ka-age naman.
Oh, naman. Oh my
Pinalaki
gosh.
ng sex bomb to si Vince. Laban. Laban.
Get out.
Bawi,
Oo,
bawi.
Get out.
Okay, ship.
Shit. Okay.
Open.
Yes.
Open-minded,
Yung
open-minded.
best friend mo sa workplace. That's hard.
Parang hindi ko kaya best friend.
Oh.
If galing sa best friend ha, like best friend muna.
Oh no.
Ay, hindi ko kaya yun. I like it
Hindi
na
ko
maging
kaya.
friends muna kami before
Oh,
maging
before
kami. Pero
you
yung
become-
maging yung best friend mo siya, tapos biglang you're going to take a step further.
Tapos pag may
after
aminan,
being
no,
friends.
don't amin. Don't
Tapos
amin.
mag-aaway
No.
kayo. Sayang yung
You know,
friendship.
yes.
Tsaka ano eh,
no.
para sa akin, para i-consider mo na yung isang tao na best friend.
Parang kapatid
Parang,
mo na siya,
ano na yun eh, lock in na yun, yung label na yun sa
Facts.
kanya.
Yeah.
So, once na pag tinakay mong ibahin,
Yeah.
iba na yun, mali na.
You're gambling the friendship.
Correct.
Skip.
Pero some people are
Super.
willing to take that risk, diba?
Shene.
I think it can happen, pero mas malaki yung chance na it won't work.
Yeah.
Do you get my
This
point?
reminds me of yung Marvin and Julina, yung Oo, best friend mo ako. Best friend mo lang ako.
Oh. Ouch. Ouch.
Diba?
Diba? Parang
Oh.
Ako siguro, skip.
I'm a skip.
Yeah.
I value
Kasi
the
let's be
friendship.
real, dito sa industry natin, it's so hard
Yeah.
to find friends.
Friends.
Diba? So for you to have a best friend in this industry, just
Lock mo na yan,
lock mo na
man.
yan. Huwag
Okay.
mong sayangin.
We are BFF
diba?
happiness forever,
Oo.
never,
Or
never,
even
never.
in or
Diba?
even in life, ang hirap
Oo.
umanap
Actually,
ng
yeah.
yung as in yung kasi best friend is such a heavy term.
Term.
For me, ha,
Correct.
I think
Yeah,
it's
same,
heavily.
same.
So, yeah, I think skip.
Skip.
Yeah, same.
Ka-love team ng ibang celebrity. So, may established, are you gonna ship or skip? If yung person
ship.
is ship to.
Kung ship ako, exciting
ship
nga
din
yun eh.
ako.
Gagawin yung love team.
Okay lang
No,
din sa
true.
akin.
Kiss nga kayo. Parang iba na yung
Sorry.
konting kurot. Parang may
Yung kasama.
Sorry.
ship it. I support my partner.
Ako
Go.
din,
Kinikilig ako sa mga ganyan. Like, oh my gosh, you guys are so
Same.
nakakakilig. If you guys
Same,
are
same.
successful, I support.
Yeah.
Just don't change the way you treat us privately. Kung publicly, kunwari, sorry, kailangan holding hands kami ni churut-churut yung love team ko.
Yeah.
Go ahead. But in private, if you don't act the same way, ay, ibang usapan na yun. That's very important. Kasi you do you. Siyempre, I'm in this industry with my partner. So parang go. I understand what you're doing. Kasi ako, at some point, gagawin ko din yun. But at the end of the day, I'm coming home to you. Shout out to, joke lang. Okay? Shout out to you. I'm coming home to you.
Same.
Okay.
yeah.
Ako din. Kasi, let's be real, meron tayong tinatawag na chemistry tests sa ating career, right? So, it doesn't mean naman na may chemistry kayo means na gusto nyo na yung isa't isa or what, di ba? Hindi naman ganun yun. Kagaya nga na nangyari kay Barbie and David. Di ba? Ang lakas ng chemistry nila,
Super.
but Barbie is in a relationship with another man. Di ba? Pero let's think about or let's recall that Barbie was also love teamed with Jack before.
Yeah. nga, no?
Naging mag-love team din sila before, but it didn't work. So, mas nag-work yun sa kanila ni David.
Yeah.
Mas kinagat ng tao yon. Pero still, si
Yeah.
Jack pa rin yung partner niya in real life. So, I think it's possible. So,
Yeah.
ship.
Did you, you
You didn't answer
Na
yet,
may
my
ka-love
love.
team?
Yeah.
Actually, kayong, sumagot ba to?
Ship. Sige, ship.
Okay.
Bakit pa rin napilitan ka? Bakit pa rin napilitan ka?
Wow.
Kasi,
Confident.
Were you once in that?
Slay.
no, kasi siguro before, mas mabilis ako sasagot na ship. Siguro ngayon, ship pero with reservations. Ganon.
I understand. I got you, girl. I got you, sister.
Ganun.
Naiintindihan kita. Naiintindihan kita.
Yes, ship! Go! Laban!
Professional
Oo,
ako!
layag ang barko na yan. Yes. Pero ngayon parang,
Sure. Why not? Go
Kung
for
yan ang
it.
gusto mo at kung yan ang ikakaayos
Go.
ng career mo, go.
Yes.
I think ship pa rin naman. I'm the hopeless romantic in me is always willing to try.
Yeah. And support. Di ba?
Yes. Kahit mahirap.
It's like looking in a
Try,
mirror.
love that.
Oh
Try
my
lang
gosh.
ng try. Yes. Well,
Facts.
ito. Have you ever been in a situation where either your partner is in a love or your partner is parang being rumored to be
Oh, rumor na to. na
rumor
sila.
na sila nung love team niya
Oh,
or vice versa, ikaw naro-rumor na like meron kang you're dating someone pero ikaw yung naro-rumor.
Kasi, pakisagot.
This is a question for everyone.
Ay!
So dito na
actually,
babalik na tayo dun sa ina-address ni
Yeah,
Vince
Vince
kanina na
kanina.
parang yun nga the rumors and like people's yung mga outside
Oo, yung akala nila ganito but they don't know the story. Meron sila
yeah.
nagagawang storya na kung ano lang yung nakita nila, dun iikot yung story,
yes.
di ba?
kasi
There's so
pwedeng
much
pwedeng
more.
yun nga, pwedeng ikaw yung nasa end na yung partner mo ay naro-rumor or pwedeng ikaw yung naro-rumor.
Correct.
So,
Oo nga, no?
have you been in either or both?
So, how did
Oh,
it
yun dun muna sa yung partner mo is naro-rumor na how did you handle? Ikaw yung
Ikaw yung
naro-rumor.
naro-rumor.
While
Hindi kami
you,
nagulat.
while you had a while you had a partner.
naro-rumor ka.
While you had a partner, naro-rumor ka.
That
To be with
Or
another
while
girl.
you're dating someone, naro-rumor ka with someone else.
The fact lang na parang gumagawa ng stories yung yung mga fans, meron ka mang jowa o wala, same lang yun na parang naapektuhan din talaga yung work mo. Na parang for example, kunwari nung nag-trip kami nung mga friends ko. Bro, parang
Nalink ka to someone.
na-link ako kasi nalulunod na ako. As in, nalulunod na ako sa
I
river.
noticed. Yeah.
Tapos parang,
Isang bote ng dyan.
sabi ko, tulong, ganyan. Eh di syempre, tinulungan ako. Tapos biglang kung ano-ano ni-edit na lumabas na parang, grabe naman to.
Assuming
Yeah.
na kayo.
Paano na lang kapag may ganyan?
Paano? No, finish the sentence.
Paano
Paano
na
na
lang,
lang if you're-
paano na lang kung may nasasak ng ibang tao, ganyan. Diba? Ayoko naman maging,
Yeah.
ayoko naman mapunta doon sa ganung situation. And
Ang lalim.
Yeah.
nakakapagod lang. Na parang hindi mo naman kailangan mag-explain sa mga tao. Pero parang obligado ka mag-explain sa mga tao kung ano talaga yung nangyayari.
Yeah. Eh kasi, like, one thing I've learned about this industry is that people will really create narratives about your personal life.
Yeah.
Na as in, na para bang, saan mo nakuha yun?
Oh.
Like, saan nang galing
Or just
yun?
from a small picture or
And-
a short video.
And not even that. Like, I think I've been in the industry for not a long time, but for a while na rin. And parang late ko na realize or talagang na-witness firsthand how people can really make rumors out of thin air. And how rumors can just, yung parang kapag meron ng maliit na rumor na lumabas, they take a life of their own. As in,
Yes.
para siyang entity na yung
Bisyo.
nilalagyan ng oxygen, yung lumalaki
Yeah.
ng lumalaki, tapos yung kung saan na, yung biglang malalaman mo na lang, ginawa ko yan? Ginawa
Really?
ko to?
Sinabi ko yan?
Ha?
What?
Nangyari yan?
Oo.
Nangyari to? Parang, yeah.
Agree.
Kayo, so, ikaw, nagkaroon ka na ng ganong
Um,
situation na,
I've been on both ends.
mhm.
Yung, ay,
Oh, so gusto ko naman marinig yung on,
25, might as well.
on the end na your partner was rumored.
My partner was rumored. Ba't ka natatawa? What's funny, huh? Honestly, dead ma lang at the time. I didn't really mind because I was,
Pero masakit.
hindi. Yeah, because
I
I,
can
was so, because, yeah, yes sir. Because I was so secure in that, oh wow, okay.
Secured ka sa sarili mo eh.
Yeah, I'm secure kasi no matter what, what we are or whatever, I'm secure in myself. I'm confident in myself. I know my worth. And
Yeah.
an important lesson I learned from a very special someone is that when someone does you wrong, don't take their burden. That's their burden to deal with. Kumbaga, it's kind of like cheating. When that person cheats, why are you taking it all on yourself? So, oh, I
Anong
cheated
kulang
on
sa-
me.
What did I
What did I
do?
do? Did you cheat? No. He or she is the one that cheated. So let him or her, let them take the burden of carrying that weight na, I made this mistake, blah, 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 blah. Ikaw, you do you, just, okay, pat yourself in the back na, okay, kaya mo to, I know my worth, I know this, blah, blah, blah. Yun lang. So I just stick to, the foundation of myself. So kahit na may rumors dyan, okay lang. Again, it always depends on how the person treats me privately. I don't really care about like the outside noise or whatever. Basta secure ako in our private relationship. Okay na ako dun, go. Kahit may rumors kayo na, oh my gosh, sila na ba ni?
Eh, how about yung on the
Ikaw
other
naman,
end?
oh.
Yung
Ayun
ikaw
lang,
naman yung
yan
na-rumor.
That is, ooh.
Did you have to explain yourself to him?
Yeah. Not only him, but like several. I had
Yeah,
to,
yeah,
parang
yeah.
it's hard to keep a clear story or a clear explanation or something like that. Kasi nga yun, like what you said, parang one small chismis or rumor will explode
Yeah,
and
yeah,
become
yeah.
like, wow, saan galing yun? Whoa, when did that happen? When did I say that? When did he say that? Or something like that. But, ayun, parang again, I just go back to the truth.
Yeah, I admire
Simple.
that.
Just keep it simple. Just
That's
back to the
that's
truth.
really something na parang I'm trying to work through is yung knowing that yung being secure with your own truth. Kasi ang di ba, it's hard knowing that there are people out there who just have a completely different perception of you because of
yes.
what they've heard about
sir.
you.
Yes,
na
sir.
hindi naman totoo. But, wala. If you try to chase every rumor, you'll never have peace. Pero that's something na madaling sabihin, pero ang hirap gawin, knowing na hindi mo talaga, wala kang power na i-defend yung truth mo sa lahat ng tao.
True.
Meron talaga mga tao na meron na silang story na narinig about you and they've accepted that as truth.
And I think it just means they don't know you that well.
Yeah.
And it's
And
not
Diba?
just that. They just really love drama.
Ayun,
Yung mga tao talaga, like gusto lang talaga nila may mapag-usapan. Ganon. Doon
Yeah.
talaga siya nang gagaling. Na-realize
Oo
ko
nga,
yan
no?
nung
Yeah,
nandito ako. Like,
actually,
for example, it's just a simple breakup. Gagawa sila ng rason kung bakit kayo nag-break.
Yeah.
Ganon siya. Like, gusto
Feeling
talaga
ko
nila
kasi
may mga,
chu-chu-chu-chu,
hindi,
and then-
nanalak siya, ng babae siya,
Yeah.
ganito.
Oh, yeah.
Hindi
Facts,
normal yung
bro.
ganon sila. Like, they just really want to talk about something.
Yeah.
And kung unfortunately, kung ikaw yun, I'm so sad for you. Kasi
Yeah.
magiging malaking issue talaga siya. I never even thought na kilala ako ng mga ibang taga-GMA until I had to go through a breakup. Like, everyone was messaging me na, hala, naghiwalay daw kayo ni ganito. Hala, ganun pala kami dito?
how'd you know?
Diba? Amazing. Nakaka-shock. Oh.
I
Okay.
guess we're dropping the tea.
Diba?
Sometimes I'm forgetting there are cameras. This is sobrang
Diba?
delikado na to, ha? Ang dami
best
ko sinasabi
part, diba?
dito, ha? Oh,
Diba, hindi ba
dear.
sinagot hindi mo pa sinagot?
Oo, di ba sinagot ko naman? Oo, na-experience ko na nga. And that's something
yeah,
I'm working through is
Yeah, just-
yung
yeah.
being at peace with knowing that there are rumors about you out there.
Was it you or was
But
is it your
I've
partner?
experienced both ends.
Oh,
wow.
Oo, I've experienced both ends.
Okay.
Pero I agree with you na 'di ba harder yung ikaw yung
Yeah, ikaw kasi parang...
yung ikaw yung may kailangang i-dispel na rumor.
Correct.
Mas
Oo.
mahirap
Align
yun
the
kasi
truth and all.
integrity mo yung yung at stake doon eh. 'Di ba?
Yeah.
Like if you're being accused of betrayal or doing something that you didn't do, ang hirap to just accept it kasi like ako, I'm sure lahat naman tayo dito, binavalue natin yung linis ng pangalan natin, yung integridad natin.
Reputation.
'Di ba? Reputation natin. Ayaw natin ma-brand as something that we are not. And we have values. Like, we value loyalty in a relationship. We value ourselves. So, you don't want people to think na anything less than that. That you're anything less than that. Kaya lang, ang hirap kasi you can't talk to everyone. 'di ba?
But I think your actions will speak louder than your words. So I feel like if people
Their
try to say
words.
their words,
Yeah.
you're right, sorry. Your actions will speak louder than their words. So they say, ay, cheater yan, blah, 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 blah. I don't need to explain it to you. I need to explain it to my inner
To the
circle
people
na
who
lang.
matter.
To the people who matter.
Yes.
And then the rest, just watch what I do. Then kayo na bahala
Yeah.
mag-ano. Ay, ako din, pare chong. Ako din.
You
It
know
was the
what?
best thing ever. Best.
Naniniwala din ako, time is the ultimate truth. teller.
teller.
Oh, yes.
So
it
just-
really is. I'm telling you, it really is.
You
It
have to
really
believe
is.
na there is karma in the world.
Yes.
Na the universe will help to clear your name someday.
Yeah, someday. Just
Someday,
so
maybe
someday
not
yun.
now, pero someday.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, and I think... Grabe, ang ganda ng convo na to. Parang ang aga-aga pa, feeling ko 6 p.m. na. Ganon.
Napawisan na ako
Parang,
eh.
saan ba tayo after nito? Ayaw na magtrabaho. Pero eto guys, sa inyong tatlo, bukas na ang finale ng Hating Kapatid.
It is!
So ano ba? Ano bang
excited!
mga mamimiss ninyo sa set? And ano yung mga gusto ninyo i-share na never before seen na mga mga nangyayari sa inyo backstage? Share naman kayo nung ano yung mga ikaka-excite ng mga fans ng Hating Kapatid because your show is doing so well. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
I'll do it first.
Ikaw muna.
Okay,
Ayaw
so
umiyak, bro.
to be honest, there was a time na parang lahat kami we're holding something very heavy in our life. 'Di ba? Parang lahat tayo 'yon. So, nagkaroon kami ng isang malaking it was not even like an open forum, but it was just a simple lunch. And then we started sharing our pain sa isa't isa. Ganon. And then, dun ko na-experience first time na pumasok ako sa trabaho, Pero hindi ko naramdaman na nasa trabaho ako. Naramdaman ko na mas safe pa ako doon kaysa sa sarili kong bahay. Ganon. And since then, na-excite akong pumasok. And naging comfortable tayo sa isa't isa na we started sharing so many things. Yung mga bagay na ikinasaya namin, mga bagay na ikinalungkot namin, or yung current situation na pinagdadaanan namin. As in, dito sa duration ng taping na to, ang daming nangyari sa mga personal life namin, di ba?
Super.
And naging sandalan namin yung isa't isa. So yun yung isa sa mga takes ko dito sa Hating Kapatid. Literal na naging magkakapatid kami. Yeah, so... Like, I feel like
Matibay
I
ako,
saw
matibay
everyone
ako.
cried. Not because yun yung kailangan sa eksena, but because kailangan namin yun as at tao, ilabas yun, yung emotion na yun to someone. And nagawa namin yun through the help of each other. Kaya I'm really, really
Grabe,
lucky.
tagal din natin ng taping no? Ilang months
Oo,
tayo
ang tagal. Ang tagal natin nagtiping, almost a year. Kaya ang daming nangyari sa mga personal life din namin. And I'm just really happy that when that happened to me, I was with you guys. Yeah, so dito talaga napatunayan sa akin ni Lord yung quote na everything happens for a reason. So I feel like that happened to me during that time because I was with them. And God knew they will help me in that situation. So I'm really, really lucky. Kaya I think it shows yung dynamic namin sa show, lumitaw talaga like yung friendship namin, yung alam mo yun, yung ganun. So, yes, thank you so much po, Hating Kapatid. Thank you so much sa cast. Thank you so much sa lahat. And sa mga sumuporta sa amin, please, panoorin niyo po yung last episode namin tomorrow. Woo!
Yes! Kayo namang dalawa.
Di ba? I know.
Okay. Okay, so I think this is my, hindi ko lang kung third or second teleserye. So, my first is First Yaya and then First Lady. Wala akong masyadong ka-age. Everyone's all older or, well, two or like younger. So, ito yung first time na, oh my gosh, parang new student ako sa school. Like, oh, people around my age. So, very exciting. Tapos, I'm in my own world na, which is yun nga, yung school world. So, yan yung very exciting for me. But I was also nervous kasi nga, I don't know how to, in a workplace, I don't know how to interact with yung mga ka-age ko. So I'm like, oh my gosh, paano ba to? Like, hey, what's poppin', y'all? But in fairness, I think since day one, parang nag-click agad. Everyone clicked agad, which, oh, thank God. And we clicked so seamlessly, and I'm so thankful for that. And yun nga, I feel like, just like the storyline of Hating Kapatid, if you know, you know, grabe yung divine timing. As in, everything that was happening in our personal lives, without even saying it, was happening all at the same time. Tapos, lalo, girl, ano na tayong dalawa, girl.
Oh my God, I
There's
remember
something,
there
and I'm like,
was a time. Tell them what happened
Oh,
sa
yeah,
staircase.
yeah. I think, were you looking at me? I was looking at you. Basta we just
Yeah.
looked at each other, tapos,
Girl, I think you're experiencing the same thing that I'm
sabi
experiencing
ko,
right
did
now.
you, sabi mo,
Yes!
exactly the
Yes.
same thing. Exactly the same thing. Ayun, so parang I feel like we just grew as a family. So, hello. Hindi ako iyak, guys. Kaya ko to. Hindi ako iyak because I love y'all. Oh, okay. Hindi ako iyak. But yeah, I love Hating Kapatid family. I love you guys so much. And of course, thank you to everyone who supported. This means a lot to not only me, but to my family because I don't know when this will happen again, lalo na sa family ko. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So, from the Legaspi family, we are so thankful for this opportunity and thank you to those who supported. And please watch the finale tomorrow. You won't regret it. Iiyak kayo. And in a good way.
Yeah.
I think. Yeah. Depende yan sa'yo. I don't know. But yeah, please watch tomorrow. Hating Kapatid finale. What? That's crazy.
Congrats, guys. Ikaw, Vince, may dadagdag ka pa ba dyan? Ganda ng mga sinabi nila eh.
Oo nga, na-pressure ako eh.
Gusto ko yung may tears ka, ha?
Pero nung start ng Hating Kapatid, sobrang challenging din sa akin kasi kakalabas ko lang ng PBB nun.
Yeah.
And nawawala pa ako nun. As in, yung utak ko kung san-san pa, tas sobrang fresh pa sa akin yung experience yung PBB na parang, shit, nandito ako sa labas, ang daming tao, ganun. So, overwhelm ako. And isa din yun na parang, nahirapan din ako mag-adjust kasi lahat sila mga babae.
Oo nga
Pag
pala.
nasa school.
Oo nga pala.
Ako lang yung guy. minsan lang makall si Jeff.
Jeff.
Hindi kasi it's Jeff and Mavi eh.
Yeah. Siya walang friend.
Or minsan, pack up kagad sila. Lunchtime pa lang. So ako yung nandun. So, pero na-push naman ako na parang alam mo yung mag-reach out, ganyan. Yun nga yung nagustuhan ko kasi parang if hindi ako napunta sa ganung klaseng situation, baka nandun lang ako sa gilid or ganyan. Pero nag-turn out na naging close ko din sila.
One of the girls.
Yeah.
Can I just share? Nung mga una talaga, I felt it na meron siyang wall sa amin.
Oh, yeah.
No? He was
Oo.
not talking to us. He was just in a corner.
Vibing there.
Using his phone. Meron siyang AirPods. Ganyan. And then naramdaman ko na he's warming up to us. Siya na mismo yung pumupunta sa tent namin. Ganyan. And then he's starting up yung mga conversations. So parang sabi ko,
Social butterfly.
we were even actually, of course, syempre excited kami because PBB was very popular,
Oh, yeah.
diba? Sobrang trending niya. So we were asking him questions and then he
Oh,
was
yeah.
like, one answer dot. Walang,
yun.
walang
Oh,
ano.
yung
Isang tanong, isang
dot.
sagot.
Yeah,
Thank you,
ganun
salamat
siya.
sa kwento.
So ang
Love
hirap
it.
magkaroon ng conversation with
Yeah, yeah,
Vince
yeah,
that
yeah.
time. But then, as time goes by, siya na mismo yung, sabi ko, ganito ngayon na experience ko dyan. He was even talking about cars. He was talking about yung journey niya sa, ano yun, sa, yung tatakbo-takbo ka sa
Chairo?
High Rocks! So parang yung tatakbo-takbo ka. Sabi ko, diba, nag-open na siya. So, yeah.
Okay, at least naman talagang at the end of it all, naging close talaga kayong lahat. Naging
Social
family
butterfly.
talaga. So, yes, mga kapuso, hating kapatid finale po tomorrow. Thank you so much, Cassie. Thank you for being here with us.
Thank you so much,
I
guys.
love
Pero
it here.
syempre, meron pong papasok. Sino? At ano ba ang papasok? Happy birthday, everyone! Happy birthday, my love! Happy birthday, Vince!
Thank you, guys!
Ay, grabe. May ganito pala.
Happy birthday to you!
Thank you.
May co-Pisces.
Grabe.
Happy birthday to you!
Thank you, thank you, thank
Happy
you.
birthday, happy birthday.
Ano lang kasi,
Pisces,
magkalapit lang yung,
Pisces.
yung birthday namin ni Thea. March 7 ako. Tapos siya March
March
8.
March is, isang araw na difference.
Isang araw.
Wow.
Kaya alam mo,
Big
talagang,
difference.
actually madami kami similarity nito.
Oo, madami
Ni Vince,
kaming
kaya rin
similarity.
kami nagkiklik.
I think you have to
Wait,
blow
make
your
a
candle.
wish.
Pero make a wish first.
Make a
Okay,
wish,
make a
make a
wish.
wish, make a wish.
Si Thea muna.
Yay!
Happy birthday, Thea!
Happy birthday! Thank you. Aw. Okay, Vince.
How about Vince?
Make a wish.
Happy birthday, Vince! Thank you, Trigger! Thank you, Cass! And thank you sa ating guest host.
Thank you, thank you.
Yay! Thank you, guys. At syempre, thank you, The Coast Cafe!
Thank you!
Thank you guys for the delicious food. Once again, you can visit them at 815 Banawe Street, Santa Mesa Heights, Quezon City. And you can also follow all of their social media accounts para updated kayo sa kung ano mga nangyayari dito sa Coast.
And kung ano yung
Sa-
menu
at the
nila.
Coast Cafe. Yes. Itutuloy
Follow
namin.
and get a kiss.
Pero itutuloy namin syempre yung kainan niyo birthday celebration
Yes.
off camp. At ubusin namin tong food. Thank you guys once again. Next Friday ulit, Triggered Fam at 7 p.m. Thank you mga ka-Trigger! Thank you guys!